Hello everybody and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then bounce around the market and look for something to trade. Well, if you've been following the markets at all, you know it's been pretty ugly over the last couple of months now. The market, after kind of bouncing back after this huge collapse, is now kind of going right back to its lows where it was a few months back. So the market's getting a little more volatile, which is good for us, but it's also extremely volatile, more than the volatility numbers are actually telling us, which isn't always a good thing. But bottom line is, that's the point. Market's down, volatility is up. So this is the S&P 500. Again, as we always see, they all look fairly similar. This is the NASDAQ, which is the tech stocks, and this is the small cap stocks, which is the Russell. Again, they all look fairly similar. And again, you can see all these, the volatility is obviously increasing as the market collapses. And that's generally how it works, because volatility is generally considered a fear indicator. So people become more fearful, which makes sense as the market tanks. So what are we going to trade this week? Well, there's been a lot of talk this week about the bond market, right? And this has been essentially going straight down this whole year. And it's at lows now that we haven't seen for, I think, over a decade or something crazy. And what that means is volatility is starting to shoot up. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an Iron Condor trade, but we're going to skew it slightly upwards. And what I mean by that is we're going to put the put side closer than the call side because we're going to leave room for this thing to move. We expect it might continue down a little bit, but at this point, because it's been going down for so long as contrarians, we're going to bet that there's a little more room for the upside, like it might go up a bit before it goes down to its lows. So we're going to put the put side closer to the call side. So I'll show you what that looks like. We'll go over to trade page. And we're going to trade right here at 54 days because these are the monthly expiration cycles. They are more liquid, and TLT isn't always the most liquid stock. So in order to stay liquid, we're going to shoot for these monthly expiration cycles. And the stock price, just for ease of math, we're going to say is at 106. So we open that up, and I've already simplified it to take care of it. And here we go. So if 106 is the stock price, to make it simple, we're going $6 down on the put side. But here's what I mean about skewed. This side is $8 away on the call side. So we're leaving more room to the upside. We're thinking, okay, it can continue to go down for a little bit, but if there's, as contrarians, there's much more room for it to kind of shoot back up and kind of bounce back because it's gone down so far for so long. Purely an assumption. You can make the opposite assumption. If you think it's going to continue down, you can put the call side closer. But as a contrarian myself, this is the way I look at the market. So we're selling the put that's $6 away. We're selling a call that's $8 away. Again, we're buying the put and the call to make it a $2 wide Iron Condor. And as long as we collect 66 cents or more on this trade, it is a viable trade. So tomorrow, depending where the stock opens, if it opened right here, we're going to start here. And if we don't get our 66 cents, we can move sides closer. Either the put side a little closer or the call side a little closer until we get to that 66 cents or more. And that is our trade for tomorrow. Hello everybody! First off, thank you so much for watching my videos. I always appreciate when people take the time to watch my videos and learn from me. But in the end, I've got a great opportunity for you because really what this is all about is learning to generate an income stream. So all this knowledge is great, but until we put it into practice, what is the point of it all? At that point, it's just knowledge, but without putting it to practice, it's of no use to us. So I've come up with a way, I believe, to teach you how to generate an income stream with all this knowledge you're learning from me. So if you head on over to Sharper Trades, right there, sharpertrades.com, and you go to the products section, you'll see I have two alerts. They're the exact same alert. The only difference between the option and the pro is that this includes all my courses, unlimited access for as long as you're a member. But this is the one I want to get you up to date on, the alert. And what this is an alert I put out in real time, 2 to 3 times a week, real trades I do every morning, and also when I close them to maximize my profits. So I want to teach you how to generate another income stream, and I believe this is the best way. So if you go on over to sharpertrades.com and you type in this coupon code right here into the basic option alert, normally it's $49 a month, but because I'm so interested in getting you up and running as quickly and confidently as possible, if you go there now and type in that code, it's only $1 for the first month. So not 49 bucks, $1, and you can get onto my alert system and see if you like it and learn to start generating income today by just typing in this code. And again, you can cancel anytime. If you stick around for more than a month, obviously it'll go to $49 a month. But for $1 a month to learn how to generate an income stream, I believe that is a great opportunity. So hopefully you all jump on this and start learning to trade with me in real time, kind of right next to me as I trade on a daily basis. And for those that don't know, these are all my courses that I have up on Udemy. A lot of people don't know that these are a three-part course. This is part one, understand. Part two is the option strategies, and part three is make and manage profitable trades. So if you weren't familiar with that, this is a three-part series. Now you know. So if you're somewhere in the middle, or the beginning, or the end, you know where to start and where to finish. And then of course, I have a couple other courses there. So head on over to Udemy and learn more, and then take all that knowledge and join my alert service and start learning how to turn that knowledge into income. Hope to see you soon.